And he's a Ganty. He's Ganty. Oh, he's still there. Oh, he's under the keeper's legs. Oh dear, and now Ganty gives Mad Dog the lead. Wow, he's a tad unlucky. I think he got a slight deflection off the defender. Cleared. TJ. Oh, beautiful. And he's a Ganty. Ganty. Oh, superb. It's Polly. Oh, what a great... Oh, no, it's gone in. The keeper's unlucky. And, well, to be honest, that's why Polly should be up top. He was born to play there. And just proven the case. 2-0 to Mad Dogs. Oh, he's clear. Oh, he's onside. Oh, the barrel does superbly well. And he's chipped him. Oh, it's a super goal. Well, what a great finish. And the barrel initially did really well, but couldn't quite get back on his line. 2-1. Can they get a cross in? It does. It's a low one. Oh, it's just over. Out. Nick Gant. And, Polly puts it away beautifully. But it's disallowed for offside. Okay, it comes out wide. Chipped in. And the big lad's there, and he beats double the barrel to it, and it's now 2-2. Okay, to throw. Here's the big lad. Oh, it's a decent ball in, and the barrel, absolutely outstanding by Darryl the barrel. Okay, to throw to Mad Dog. And it comes to Polly. Oh, look at Polly, the way he's lifted that over. Absolutely outstanding by the centre forward. Oh, it's a good run. Oh, good positive run. Can he get a cross in? And the subby looks cold as it's an... I can't believe he's missed. Oh, my goodness gracious me. Oh, dear, dear. H with a long clearance. Oh, it comes to Polly. Oh, what a goal! Oh, it's magnificent. Oh, and the Mad Dog centre forward has given them a lead early on in extra time. What a finish. Corner. Okay, we got the super sub who looked cold when he came on to take this corner. It's a decent one. Oh, but good header out. Comes up. Oh, that's a good effort. And it's just over. Black shorts guy gives it to his fullback. Oh, it's a deep ball. Oh, it's Stiggy. Oh, what a save from the barrel. Oh, it's one of the best saves I've ever seen. Oh, not only can he score hat-tricks at the Lamb, but he can pull off Gordon Banks type saves. And he helped on. Oh, super sub was almost there. Danny Hales is there. Oh, black shorts, guys. Dale, I mean, took it off Danny Hales. And oh, what a run! Oh, dear. Oh, Mr. Wayman. Lovely by TJ to Nick Gant. Nick Gant now. Oh, look, he's left him for dead. Ganty. Oh, what a goal. And Ganty has put this game to bed. It's now 4-2 to Mad Dog. Black shorts guy with this throw-in for Aldergate. Can they find, or can they get a goal back? It's towards Dale. Dale flicks it on. Stiggy. Oh, back heel. Oh, the barrel again. The barrel's been outstanding in this game. And, oh dear. Oh, it's Danny Hales. Can he finish? Oh, dear.